Hi, this is Random Learning. Today's random learning topic is net present value. N for net, P for present, V for value. So net present value is widely used decision-making criteria in finance. If there is a positive NPV, positive net present value, it means you can accept a project. If there is a negative net present value, it means you should reject the project. So what is a net present value? Net present value is simply a difference between what you invest, between cash outflows and cash inflows. Inflows, what you get back from the project. So if you want to know how to compute net present value, you should know how to compute present value. So we need present value of our cash flows. Present value formula is future value divided by 1 plus R means discount rate, power n. N means time, R means discount rate, n means time, number of years, right? Future value means cash flow in year 1, 2, 3. So present value means right now. What is the value right now? So let's say what is the value in year 0, right? So let's see how to compute net present value. Let's take some random numbers. So the all information I have here, let's start with the year. Then cash flows. Cash flows include both outflows and inflows. So let's say we have year 0 to year 3, right? So let's say in year 0 you are investing 25,000 in a project. So when you invest, that is cash outflow, so negative number. So this one is your investment, cash outflow. So from this project, let's say you will get in year 1 8,000. In year 2 you are getting 10,000 from the project you invested 25,000. So in a year you are getting 5,000. So this amounts you are getting from this particular project. So these are cash inflows. So net present value, simply difference between cash outflows and cash inflows. Keep in mind we need present value of all outflows and inflows. So to make it simple, let's draw a number line. So year 0, 1, 2, 3. So 25,000 you invested, 8,000 you would get in year 1, 10,000 in year 2, 5,000 in year 3. If we look at a formula, so we need discount rate. Let's say discount rate is 10%, right? So we need n, right? Future value, we have this one. These all are future values, right? So here we need present value of CFS, cash flows. So 25,000 already in year 0. So this is already a value today, present value. So we don't need to do anything with this one. So same number, minus 25,000. Now we need to compute present value of 8,000. What it will be in year 0. So you can see time 0 to 1. Time is 1 year here, right? So time 1 year. So present value formula you already know. Future value is 8,000 divided by 1 plus 10%, so it will become 1.10, and time is 1 year. So if you compute it, so it should be 7,272.72, right? So now you need to compute present value of 10,000. So time, how many years? 0 to 1, 1, 1 to 2, 2. So 2 years here. This is the future value. So 10,000 divided by 1.10. Now time is 2 years. If you solve it, so this number will be 8,264.46. I hope I computed all these numbers correct, so you can double check. And present value of 5,000. So time 0 to 1, 1 year, 2 year, 3 years. Future value is 5,000. What is the value of 5,000 today? So 5,000 divided by 1.10 and power 3, and this number should be, after computing it, 3,756.57. So this one over cash outflow, this is present value of our inflows. So add all these numbers, that would be difference between cash outflows and inflows. Let's see what number we get. So after adding them up, so we have 5,706.25. You can look at this number is negative. So negative means this project is not good to accept. So it means reject the project. This is one of the many criteria, but this one is the main one, right? That's all. I hope you understood. Thank you so much.